Okay guys, welcome back to my WordPress tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to create a contact form or get a code form, whatever is it associated with your brand. So the first thing you need to do is go over to plugins, add new plugin, click on add new plugin. Yes, then type here WP form. Yes, here's this one, WP Forms by WP Forms. As you can see, over 5 million active installations. As you can see, this one over here, this one, mine is already installed. You have to click on install, then activate it. Once it's activated, you will see here on your site. Then click on add new, WP Forms, add new. Yes, okay. You can start by blank form, or use a contact form, use a template. I'll go with the template one. Just go because I'm creating a contact form. Okay, so see how it looks. You have to put your name and the last name, and these fields, they are required. Maybe you can add something. Maybe you want them to add something. You can add whatever, but the email is there. Yes, so let's click on save. Let's save. Let's go over to settings. Let's just leave it as contact form. It's contact form. Save. Yes, save. Notifications. No, I don't need notifications for now. Then this is a message for confidence for contacting us. We'll be back soon. Let's click on save again. Yes, so now it's saved. Let's just go back. Okay, get a code. It's a quick thing. I forgot to name that form I was creating, but it's like this, guys. So now I want to show you how to. Yes, but they are there. It's fine. Okay, so now let's go over to pages so that you can edit with Elementor. We can edit through Elementor. Let me look for the page where I want it to be. I'll just go with the home page, whatever. Okay, Elementor is loading. Okay, let me just say maybe I want to edit here. Yes, and let me add a widget. I will search it for forms. Yes, here's WP Forms over here. Here's WP Form. Then click on add. Then select the form. Oh, there are two now. Just go with the contact form. Yes, here's the form now. Then let's click on update. The form is there. You can customize the background so that it won't be like white, everything is white. You can turn your background to this thing, whatever, man, whatever color is perfect to your brand. I think mine is this one. And let's click on update. Preview. Yes, the form is there. You can now fill your details and submit and get contact to us, whatever. Easy like that, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. See you next time. Stay blessed.